Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can do routing in QGIS using a plugin called ORS Tools. So first, we have to open the OpenStreetMap. So you go to this web tab and click on Quick Map Services and add OSM, OpenStreetMap Standard. So once you do that, you see the OSM web map is added to the QGIS. Then you zoom to any location where you want to do the routing. For example, if I want to do the routing here in this area, so I will zoom it to this area. Then we have to install the plugin. So go to the plugins tab, click on manage and all install plugins. And here you have to search for ORS. Go to all, don't go to install, go to all and search for ORS. And you have to install this ORS Tools plugin. I have already installed it, so it's there. Okay, so there will be an install button here. So you just have to install it. Okay. So once that is done, then go to the web and click on this ORS Tools and come here. You will see an interface like this. And then what you will do here is first you have to sign up for this open root service. So click on sign up. It will take you to their website. You have to create an account. If you have an account with GitHub, you can directly sign up with that. So I'll just log in with my account. Go to login and I will log in with GitHub. Okay. So my login is successful. Then what you have to do, you will get a API key. You just have to click on this one. The API token will be copied and then come back to QGIS and click on settings and paste that API key over here and then say save. Okay. Now you have options whether you are driving a car or you are cycling or whether you are walking or whether you are on a wheelchair. Based on your requirement, it will generate a route. So we'll choose driving car and there are three options to generate route. Either you can generate the shortest route or the fastest route depending on the traffic conditions, and there is a recommended. So we'll choose the shortest one. Here, this plus button means adding the points on the map where you want to generate the route. This is the button to remove the points from the options. So we'll click on this plus button and for example, I want to start generating route from this point. Where is that point? Here. And then I want to go to do some shopping here maybe. And then pick up somebody from here and then drop that person to the airport and come back to the home location. So in this case, you'll go to again, these are the 4 points we have added to generate the route. So go to the web and ORS Tools. So if you want to come back to the original location, you have to click on this traveling salesman. And under this, there is an option called round trip. Round trip means the start and end location will be fixed. If your only start location is fixed, you can use this option. If your end is fixed, you can use this option. If your start and end both are fixed, you can use this option. There are other options also which you can explore if you want to avoid any particular area because of certain restrictions like traffic. You can use avoid polygons and you can give that polygon as an input. So the route will not generate through that area. So once that is done, then you just click on apply and you will see that the route is generated. So let me close this error and you can hand tool and you can see that the route started from here. It went to the first point, then second, then came to the third point and back to the home location. Once the route is generated, it will be added to your layers tab or layer control, and then you can open the attribute table and check the route length. It is 36.34 kilometers total from starting to the end. And if you want to convert this into a shape file, you can just right click and set export save feature as. So you can either export it as a shape file or AutoCAD file or KML or any other format which you want, GeoJSON for that matter. Or if you want comma separated CSV file, you can use any of this. So if I use easy option, then give the file name, choose the file location, and then give some name, and then you can just save it. Use the coordinate system, so keep the coordinate system what you're using and say okay. So the file will be exported and added to the, you can see now. And this, if you remove these points, want to remove this point, just go to ORS Tools and click on this option. So all the points will be removed. So just say close. And this is the shape file. So if you open the attribute table again, you will see that the distance is this much, duration is this. Here it is the fastest route and optimize option like this. So this is how you can generate route without any data, without any cleaning of the data. If you are doing the same work in QGIS, you require a network data set. Then you have to create the junctions. But those are the basic things which you require to know in order to use this plugin. So QGIS is a paid software. You have to pay for that. QGIS is a free software. So you can download it from the internet and install it. And then you can use it. It's a very good software. So please try it out and comment in the section